Hello everyone, welcome to my channel The Professor. So today we are going to type the 27th program. So let's get started. We have to first open the notepad. So we'll open it. Now we'll type the program. This program is also about link tag. So we'll start with HTML tag, head tag, title tag which gives the title. Now we'll end the head tag. Now we'll start the body tag. Now we will start the HREF tag which specifies the location of document. We have to keep a space between A and HREF. If you will not keep space, then the output will not come. Now we'll end the A tag, which is the anchor tag. Now we'll end the BR tag, which is the break tag. We will make this file s1 and s2.html. Then only the output will come. Now we'll end the A tag and BR tag. Now we'll end body tag and HTML tag. Now we'll save the program with the extension HTML and in all files. So now we'll make these two files s1 and s2, s1 and s2. So now we'll make it. Body background color. This is the attribute which assigns a background color for an HTML document. Now we'll start h1 tag. Now we'll end the h1 tag. Similarly body tag and HTML tag. So now we'll name it as s1.html and in all files. So now we'll make s2. This is same as s1 file. Now we'll end the body tag and HTML tag. Now we'll save it as s2.html and in all files. So now let us check the output. So first of all we'll click here. So this is the file with the green color that we have made. So the second we'll click here. This white with the blue color. So this is the basic output of the files.